I wanted to know what would actually stop a laser from burning a hole right through my eyes. Could a pair of regular safety glasses do anything to protect them? Okay, obviously not, but I kind of wanted to see what would it take to stop a laser from burninating your eyeballs like some poor peasants in the countryside. Let's go ahead and run back that test. Try to hit the lens a little more directly this time. Clearly, these $1 safety glasses don't offer much protection from lasers. So let's try a lens that isn't so clear. What about these shades, for example? Wow, those did surprisingly well. There doesn't seem to be any burning on our test subject. I think I made a mistake here. Let's go back and check our focal length. I kind of want to run this test in a worst case scenario. And that means placing the eyewear right at the 2-inch focal distance, where the laser is strongest. And as we can see, our test subject didn't come out as unscathed this time. Next up, we have these lenses meant for viewing the solar eclipse. If it can stand the power of the sun, shouldn't it be able to stand a measly little laser? Let's go ahead and take a look. Looks like these eclipse lenses couldn't take the heat. Up next, we have our first real laser safety glasses. These are rated at 10,600 nanometers, the correct wavelength for the CO2 laser, but they only have an optical density of 4 when the manufacturer recommends 6. I'm really excited to see how these turn out because I only paid $10 for these. I'm very impressed with these safety glasses. I forgot to record the first one, but after 2 tests, our test subject only had minimal burning. Our last victim for the day is these free mascot lenses. They're a little bit more expensive at around $40, but they boast 95% visible light transmission, which should make it easier to work on things while wearing them. For reference, the previous Laserland safety glasses only had a visible light transmission rating of 50%. Unfortunately, these didn't perform nearly as well as I thought they would. These aren't the most scientific tests, but I wonder if that visible light transmission is why our little fryball here had a hole shot clean through him. I do want to note a few safety items. In normal use, the laser is fully contained and this is a Class 1 laser product. It only becomes a Class 4 when using pass-through for things like extra large stock. Additionally, cutting unapproved materials, like safety glasses, will deposit a layer of soot on your laser's lens. This can quickly lead to a dangerous situation known as thermal runaway, where the soot burns onto the lens, causing the lens to heat up and crack. I hope you enjoyed this video half as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you liked it, maybe go check out one of my Pokemon vids. Those were also really fun to make.